Welcome to Papa Joint's shop. Now we're going to take a look at this replacement inverter and see if it works. And I'm going to change the fuses to something smaller so that if there is a hiccup, maybe it'll blow the fuses instead of wrecking stuff. The remote, cables, instructions. Alright, first thing we're going to do is hook her up. We're just going to use my power supply, which isn't capable of about 6 amps or so. There's 12.5 volts. Let's see, minus. Power switch is off. Okay, we're up and running. I'll turn that so you guys can see it a little better. Yeah, just throw it on this. I got a 40-watt bulb. Okay, so it works. Okay, let's turn this down and see where it drops out. Okay. Turn her back up. Come back on at about 12 and a half. See where it drops out on the high side. Okay, so I'll go back on about 14.9. So, seems like it works okay. So, like I said in the other video, I am going to pop the cover off and take, they have 40 amp fuses in here and they're doubled up, so you got 80 amps worth of fusing for each section. There's 3 sections, so I'm going to remove 140 amp fuse from each one. Or maybe what I should do is, I think what I'll do is remove all the 40 amp fuses and replace them with 20 amp fuses. That way I'll be sharing the current between each one of the sockets for the fuses. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the smaller fuses all installed and got it hooked back up and the bulb back in, and we're still working. So my 2000 watt inverter is now a 1000 watt inverter, which is more than I need anyways. That's why I bought a bigger one, because I thought it would wouldn't have to work as hard. So I'm going to put the cover back on and go put it in place and install it. Okay, got her all installed again, and I got everything turned on that's hooked into it, and 434 watts. So I got 60 days out of the other one. We'll see how long this one lasts. So not a very interesting video, but had to be done on my end. You guys don't have to watch it though. But anyways, if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.